We got a mystery box, everybody. So let's see what I think about these great mystery boxes for enamel pins. Let's go. Last call. All right, guys, this is the last chance to enter for the giveaway. Check the link in the description and we'll put the card up top as well so that you guys can enter to get a free beautiful coffee in full color coloring book. Check it out. Hello, Localtarians. It's Amanda and I am here today with another art time, or I like to call it like art time because to me, anything that you can make or anything that you put on like jewelry could be an art time situation. So yeah, I did an AliExpress haul is what I did. And boy, oh boy, I did open it because I was like, what is this? It came a long ways. As you know, these things usually come from like China or Japan. So kind of interesting. Can't read the label because it looks like Japanese, but that's okay. So you might be curious, what did I get this time? Well, I found an incredible deal for enamel pens. So I was like, you know what? This is just like a big lot of pens and they don't tell you what you're getting. All right, I'll give it a try. Let's give it a try and see what we get. And I'll try to remember to put the price on the screen at some point during the video. But let's just let's get into this. And let me show you what you got. So we got some great stuff, guys, and see if I can get you tipped down here to see it. 1 second. So yes, we got a lot of stuff here. Look at this. Wow, quite a bunch of items. Look at that. And that's a pretty good haul right there. These are all enamel pins, every last one of them. I mean, very cool, right? So let's check it out. All right, so yes, I'm pretty excited about these pins, guys. We got quite a lot of them, as you saw. So now let's just go through some of the ones we got. Are they all winners? Probably not all of them, but I think they're pretty darn cute. And they're varying sizes. Some are really big, some are kind of tiny, and they're all kind of cute, honestly. All right, so let's just get started. I'm gonna go through them and we're gonna count them as we do here. We have this little astronaut. Pretty darn cute if you ask me. I think that's pretty neat. And he's carrying a star, it looks like. He's got a star in his hands, so very cool. And it's got looks like an extra metal back in there too, so if you lose yours. All right, and then we have this kind of interesting wiener dog. Cute little dot sound. See his little face. Kind of looks like a mermaid wiener dog. I think that's what it is, because it looks like mermaid prints, maybe. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. All right, so let's see here. Ooh, these are very pretty. Oh, you know what? I see one issue with this one already. It's got glitter on it, and it looks like the glitter's coming off onto the bag. I'm not happy about that. If you're gonna put glitter in the enamel, make sure it's in the enamel and not just on top, because that's no bueno. But anyway, we got these tarot cards. Very neat. Sorry, let me get you a better look. There we go. Pretty. I don't know if you guys can see the sparkle of this. It's got a lot of sparkle. Let's try to get some light in there. Very neat. All right. Oh, if you ever needed a cat playing a ukulele, or maybe that's a guitar. I think it's a ukulele, but it could be either or. That's pretty darn cute, right? How cute is that, you guys? All right, we got this cute little cactus succulent. He's kind of cute. What do you guys think? Very pretty. All right. Oh, this one would be tiny. I think it's a dog. I'm gonna take this one out of the bag because it's so tiny. If I don't take it out of the bag, you guys might not see it right now. So let's take it out. I'm not gonna take them all out because I don't want to lose any portion or part of them. This little guy is so cute, but he's teeny. He's a little one. Look how little it is, but isn't he cute? He's got a little strawberry on his head. Very, very, very cute. I think he's adorable. Very neat. All right, I'm gonna put him back in his home here. And let's get the next pin. All right. Oh, this one's really cute. You know what? I think I'm gonna give this one to my mother. She would love this. It almost looks like one of those cloison beads. My mom is the crazy cat lady of the neighborhood, and today is her birthday. So we want to, you know, I got her some crumble cookies and some crumble cream. Oh my goodness. And we're gonna be going out to lunch here shortly with the fam. Isn't that cute? She would like this. I think I will give that one to her. All right. Oh, you could start a whole cat band. We've got one with the guitar and we've got one with the triangle. Yeah, it's playing the triangle. I was gonna say, I hope this isn't like Illuminati, but no, it's got a stick. It's playing a triangle. Very cute little black kitty. Kind of looks like one of my kitties. This is pretty cute too. Trust Fall Survivor. I like it. And it's got like some little olive branches on the sides there. Very neat. That one's a pretty good size too. We have this cactus hand peace sign. Looks like a cactus. Yeah. Kind of cute. Let's go. This one's a sweet tooth, I'm guessing, because it's got like frosting and sprinkles on it too. Interesting. I guess if you've got somebody who's a real, you know, who just has sweet tooth, that would be a fun gift for them. We got this. Hold on, let me get a better view of it. See if I can get it in a better spot in the plastic bag here. Yeah, a little galaxy there with Saturn. Very neat. And hands that are connecting there in the middle. That's pretty neat, right? What do you guys think? Oh, another kitty. And he's painting. It's an artist kitty. Make sure you keep an eye on these guys. If there's some you like, I might be doing a giveaway. So keep your eyes peeled. Oh, this one's really cute. It's a unicorn. Actually, it's an alicorn, right? Isn't that what they call them when they have wings? Yeah. But it does have the horn and it does have the wings, so there you go. Alicorn. But whatever. It looks like a unicorn kind of thing. We get the idea, right? And this one I'm definitely keeping for me. And you guys will probably know why if you paid any attention to my videos in the past. I wish it was a different color. But it's Among Us, and he's got a little slime dude on his head. I don't know why they picked orange, like almost brown. But he's cute. I like him. I wish he was a little brighter color. Because even the orange one would be fine if it was the right color. This seems really off in color. Cute though. I love this. I think this is so funny. This is fine. Any of you have ever seen the dog in a room on fire meme where he's just drinking coffee? It's like, this is fine. And this is what it looks like. It's the same art style from that. Oh my goodness, another one of these pretty kitty beads. This one's by a top hat with some flowers. Kind of interesting, but it's got that same cloison bead look. If any of you know what I'm talking about, if not, definitely look it up and see what a cloison bead looks like. Typically like Asian art is done that way. Okay, now this one's very nostalgic because it reminds me of these little products we used to get as kids and you'd make them move around. And I want to say they were called squirms, like S-Q-O-R-M, squirm, but maybe I'm wrong. Might have been a U in there too. But look, it's two squirms. I don't know if they're mating or just being friendly. Maybe they're giving each other a hug. But they're squirms for sure, 100%. And this, I'm not sure what this is. I think it's supposed to be a flower, but it's got some yellow enamel. Kind of like a fan flower, I think. Not the prettiest one, but it's pretty cute. Oh, I don't think I saw this. What in the heck are you? You're a watermelon dog, I think. Interesting. I'm not so sure that they know what a watermelon looks like, but that, I mean, his smile is clearly a watermelon, but he's blue and blue. 2 shades of blue. And then he has green ears. That's interesting. And a watermelon smile. And I think it's a dog. It looks like it could be a dog. What do you guys think of that one? That one's a little weird, I'm not gonna lie. It's another little one, so. Okay. Oh, this is pretty. I want to say this is a little Asian girl, but maybe she's any other girl, doesn't matter. And she's holding an orange. Now I know orange is very powerful in the Asian culture, and they use it for putting on altars and everything as like offerings type of thing. This is fun. I feel like, yeah, there's a video of a crab that has a knife. Well, now you can have a crab with a knife pen. He's got a knife in his hand. How cute is that? It's actually really pretty too. It's like blue and sparkly. See if I can get a better view of it here. Kind of sparkles. That's really fun. I like that one a lot. All right, guys, we still have more. All right, and this is definitely poutine, or a poutine lookalike. Eating spaghetti. Look at that, and it's giant. I'm going you to look at how big this pin is. It's a pretty good sized pin. Very cute. I love me some poutine. And if I'm saying it wrong, well, I'm sorry. This is just kind of a cute one. It says, I really love you. I really love you. Very cute. I'm not sure about this one. I mean, it's really cute. Do you like turtles? You're going to love this one. It says, be soft. I want to say that says, be softa or be soft. Don't think about it. That's what it says. You guys correct me if I'm wrong. Be softa, don't think about it. I think they're trying to make a play on weight, maybe? I don't know. Which would be fine. I'm not sensitive to that, you know. He's a cute turtle. I just don't know what he's saying. I mean, maybe you guys know this one too. Oh, maybe it's a Viking. Okay. It's his beard. I'm just dumb. All right, I gotta hurry up because I'm gonna have to leave here in a moment. We're supposed to be going to get, yeah, it's a beard. Okay, it is, look at that, SpongeBob, and he's got that brown thing down there. That's his Viking beard, I guess. Interesting. I thought it was an error for a second, but now that I look at it, I think it's just his beard. It's interesting, for sure. 100%. Who doesn't love SpongeBob? Well, I'm sure there's people out there. All right, guys, we're still not done. We still have more. We're gonna run through these as quickly as we can here. All right, we have a cracked egg running with like chicken legs. But what's even more disturbing is inside the egg's crack is more eyes. So it's an egg with something inside it, but the egg has also got a face. Interesting. And some of these are probably from things and I'm just missing it and don't know. This one, like, for example, it looks like it might be a slight error because the enamel seems to be really high up on it. But it's still really cute. Look at that. It looks like an RCA dog, right? Any of you guys, I know I'm dating myself here, but they used to have the RCA dog. I don't know. He's cute anyway. And then we have this cute panda with this cute little hat on. He's very big. Look how big that thing is. Wow. He's a big boy. All right, and this one just says, keep growing. Is that, what is that in there though? You guys can tell me. It's got a face. I don't know. Or maybe that's just water. Maybe it's not a face. Maybe I'm just overthinking it. I want to think everything with 2 dots is a face, you know, because I think eyes. What do you guys think? But it says keep growing. It's really cute anyway. Could just be water coming out of the pot. It's possible. All right, this is another play on that this is fine meme, except now we've got the coffee cup and it's on fire. This is fine. It's pretty cute. It's a good sized pen too. All right, we've got this says gat, and it is a cactus. It just says gat. Looks like a crazy cactus to me. Maybe it's from a game or something and I'm missing it, but it says GAT, G-A-T. Unless that's cat. You know what? It is cat. I think it is cat, and I can't spell. It looked like a G initially, but I think it is a C. So I think it's cat. And then we have this very tiny pin. It's tiny. And it's just a little pin of Saturn in blue. Kind of cute. It's little. We're almost there, guys. Oh, we got a double. Now this is the first double out of all of those pins that we got. Look at that. That same kitty with the top hat. Cute though. Well, we got another kitty who's rolling around on its bed, on its back and playing. Very cute. Yes, I talk more like a child the more kitties I see. I can't help it. Aww. And then we have this little. Now this could be a kitty or a doggy, but I'm pretty sure that is a kitty and it's holding an orange, just like the little girl was. Same design, really. Hopefully that's focusing. All right, we're down to our last couple pins. Then you have this cute little calico kitty, and he is getting into some mischief with that fishbowl. Very cute, though. All right, we're down to our last pin, and it is a Pusheen eating ramen. Look at that, it's big, too. What a big pin. Very cute. So let's count them. 5, 36, 37, 38. That's an odd number, but you know what? Memory serves. There's another bag in here that only had 2 in it, and I'm betting it came from them as well. So let's just take a look and see here. Because I think it was supposed to be 40 pins. Nope, that's my rocket. That's for another day. I'm just going to show you guys. Look at these cute little rockets I have too. It makes me think of Austin's coffee, right? I'm going to probably make some earrings or something with them. I don't know. We'll see. But there's another bag that I got at the same time, roughly. I think it was the exact same time. But I did get a note in there that they ran late on some of the production, so I'm guessing these are the other 2 pins. Look at these packages, guys. They're awesome. No, I got more than it. Maybe they gave me a bonus pin. I don't know. All right, so we got People to Kill. And then we have Hey, It's Okay. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a snake in a bush. So we did get those as well. All right, guys, so we actually got items from 2 different stores, the Be Your Loved store, and this one we got 8 different mystery boxes. You can see pricing for the first 4 of them, and coming up in just a moment, you'll see the other 4 for a total of $23.01 altogether for all 8 boxes. Should have been around 44 pins, but of course they did say there was a delay on some of them. Then we also got 3 more pins from this store, and of course that store is the Miss Zoe official store. We paid $2.12 for a punk 3-piece set, which is the last 3 pins that I showed you guys. So pretty interesting. So yeah, considering how much you normally pay for 1 enamel pin, we got a great deal. So check out AliExpress for all your pin needs. These 2 shops did a great job with their mystery boxes. All right, everybody, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed our AliExpress haul. We will see you next time. Peace. All right, everybody, make sure you drop us a comment. Let us know what you think about our pin haul. And make sure you follow us on all of our platforms. And don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.